Hi folks, Pavni this side, technical trainer from Harsha Institutes. As of now, we have completed two demos. In those sessions, we have covered the core concepts and the modules inside Java Full Stack course. And in each and every module, we have discussed the technical concepts like core Java, advanced Java, and what are the servlets, JSP, and we have discussed database and we discussed some frameworks like Angular and Spring Boot, and the front end part like HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. And we have discussed some technical modules inside Spring Boot and the real time tools. Everything we have discussed, right? If you miss those videos, no problem. You can access the videos, and the tomorrow session is going to be fresh, so you can refer your friends to without knowledge of those two demos, because you are going to learn the complete roadmap about the Java full stack course, and so why we have to choose that course, how the importance of that course, and how we are implementing the application, like whatever it might be, okay, like say enterprise application, web application, or any gaming application. So how your course is going to be helpful in building the application, and what are the requirements for building the application, how the client is connected to server and server is connected to database, and how the API is going to work, and what are the servers available, and in real time scenario, so as a developer what you are going to do, okay, after completion of this course. Everything we are going to discuss, so don't miss this session. uh, See you tomorrow at the same timings, 9:30 to 10:30. If you have any queries, you can feel free to ask me. I can clarify all your doubts. And tomorrow's session is going to clarify all the doubts you have about Java full stack course. Okay, and it is going to clarify each and every scenario based doubts based on building application. Okay, so don't miss the session. See you tomorrow. All the best.